You know how you used to plant? You take a packet of seeds, sprinkle them all out. How many did you plant? Hundreds and hundreds. Then you have to go back and thin them. Does that make sense? Absolutely not. So square foot gardening solved all that problem by planting only the distance apart you're supposed to thin them to. So now we don't have to do any thinning and we don't waste any seeds. We save them. Seeds certainly are a valuable resource. There's no question about that. You know, those packets of seeds are good for next year and the next year and the year after that. Some of them up to 10 years. If you plant everything at once, it's all going to come to harvest at once. Well, that's great for farmers, but it's not so good for homeowners. What are you going to do with all that stuff? So that's why I devised a square foot system, so you plant just 1 square foot at a time.